Oh fuck, I always mess this up. Woo! Oh, scraping the bar end. It's kind of windy out, I hope you can hear me okay. So this is the top of a trail. It's not on Trailfox, it's on Strava, and it's called the drop to the Sawmill. There's a sawmill at the bottom of it. It's about 800 meters long. It's fast, it's flowy, there's no features really. It's just a nice gravel paved. Can gravel be paved? I don't know. It's a nice track through the forest. Has some cool geological features, and it's steep and it's fast. So let's give it a shot. Okay. Got my suspension set to its hardest setting, because there's no real features on this. So steep drop in. Slight climb, and then it's downhill all the way. It's nice and dry now, but it's been wet recently. And the corners on this trail, they don't drain particularly well. Sometimes you get mud and it can be slippy. So brake, turn in and get out of here. Sometimes meet walkers down here. It's pretty popular. Trying to take those turns as wide as possible. Keep my speed up. Okay. It's getting dusty. And stupidly, whoo, left my eye protection off. Woo. Okay, they've got these speed bumps, but they're not speed bumps. They're covering over drainage channels. So there's a pipe underneath them. They've nearly sent me over the bars on more than one occasion. This is the bottom. Oh. And there we go. And just up there is the sawmill that the trail is named after.